Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to admit more than 100 members in Google Meet for free users. Yes, Google Meet is restricted for free users only 100 members. So how to accommodate up to 100 members? So I want to accommodate the meeting, so I want to conduct my webinar or seminar in my class. So how it is possible? In this video I would like to share how to admit more than 100 members in Google Meet for free users. Let me show you the demonstration. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just open Chrome browser and I just go to meet.google.com to create a meeting to share with my students. I just create new meeting. I just start instant meeting. So I have created the meeting now. So now I can able to copy the information, so I can able to share with my students. So only the 100 participant can enter into the free users. So that is this option. So I can copy the link, I can share with my students. So this is one of the step. If you want to enable, so if you want to conduct 200 members, so you want to have two meeting, that is two IDs, that is two email ID as well as the same laptop. You need to have two browsers. So with my single laptop I can able to create two meeting and I can share with the two different participants. So I can able to give my instruction, everything will be displayed over here. So how it is possible? Yes, so this is primary meeting, so I would like to share the information with my 100 first participant. So now I would like to open Microsoft Edge browser. So each and every laptop will have two browsers, whether Microsoft Edge or any other Mozilla Firefox, any other browser. You just open and log in with different email ID. So if you have a two email ID, you can able to access this option. So this is a primary ID, so this is a secondary ID. I would like to create a meeting, so I just go to meet.google.com and yes, so this is a different ID. So this is a different ID, this is a different ID. I just create a new meeting, I just start instant meeting. Yes, so this is one of the meetings. So it will ask you to allow your mic and camera. So I have given the option because same camera, same mic only is going to reflect with my audience, so that everything will be perfectly alright. So it will ask you to allow the user and mic and camera. So just allow all the things. So just copy the meeting link and share with your audience. So that is a second point. So 100 members from this area, 100 members from that area, you can copy and share the information. So now it's the main important. If you want to talk, you need to enable this mic as well as this mic. So both meeting 100 members, whatever I am talking, everything will be displayed over here. So this is 100 members and this is 100 members, so I can able to talk. So if I'm talking, means the reflection will be displayed over here, so I can able to understand, okay, my audience can listen. For example, if the people has doubt, means that I can ask them to chat with my chat box, so that I can able to give a clear instruction, clear inputs, so that they can able to understand. So next thing, I would like to present the screen. So the screen should be present to the audience. What I should do? First, you need to present in your primary. I just present your entire screen. I'm going to present. I just present my entire screen. Both screen are presenting. See, my both screen are presenting. I just share the screen. Yes. So from primary, that is first account, I have shared my screen. So this is over. Again, just open present now and entire window, just to present the screen. Yes, I just present overall screen. So I have shared both screens. So both screens are shared. So whatever I am going to display in the presentation, everything will be displayed over here. So because this screen will be shared this one, so this screen will be shared this one, so user can able to analyze and understand. So now both screens are shared. See, Meet is sharing and sharing, both screens are sharing now. Now I would like to open the presentation. So presentation, whatever I am showing, whatever I am talking, whatever I am showing the video, everything will be displayed to my 100, 200 participants. It is a purely easy trick, usage trick. You can able to get an idea, so you can present your screen. So now I would like to share the my mobile phone. From my mobile phone I would like to show you, so how the audience will get an inputs. So how it is possible? Just I'm going to show you the demonstration. I just open, yeah, so I just open my mobile phone. I just join the meeting. I just give the meeting ID so whatever ID is there, 10 digit ID, so that this will be easy to understand and analyze. So there is no echo because you are talking with single mic, so you are getting a single inputs only. So I have checked 100% is working. So now I am going to join the meeting. So ask to join. So now I'm going to join. Yes, so now I have joined, as you see. So this video I have joined now. So my audience can able to hear my voice, as you see. So my presentation will be displayed over here, so you can able to see my presentation. Yes, now I'm presenting the screen. Yes, see, my presentation screen will be displayed over here. So this is my presentation. So here you can able to see my mobile phone has the presentation. See, the presentation will be displayed over here. So if I full screen that, everything will be displayed over here, so you cannot able to see. It is 100% is working. I have tried, that's why I would like to share this information, so you can able to get 200 participants to do all the things. So that's why it is showing me. So I can able to talk. So I have two cameras is switched on, so I can able to see all the details, presentation, whatever I am talking, everything will be displayed over here. So if my audience, that is my audience is asking, means I can ask the doubt higher. If I put means, so first 100 participant will get the information, so second 100 participant will get an information about this. So the screen is sharing, so you can able to see the screen also here. So it's a easy trick. You can use the trick. You can accommodate more than 100 members of your participant to show your meeting or any other thing. So if you want to share with your meeting link, if you want to share with your audience link, everything will be displayed over here. It's a simple and easy trick. Use this option. You need to have your two browser, two free email account. You can create 100 members differently, 100 members differently, so you can able to share with that single audio, single screen sharing option. So I can able to present my screen, I can able to show the video, 200 participants can able to accommodate, and I can able to peacefully take the class, peacefully take the webinar. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.